Hello friends, welcome again to our channel Top Deals. Today we are discussing the best 5 smartphones of 2020 to 2021 under 15,000. So let's begin from last mobile, which is Redmi 9 that launched in India in the August month of 2020. Its body dimensions are 164.90 into 77.07 into 9.00 mm with 5000 mAh battery capacity. Weight of Redmi 9 is 196 grams and available in these mentioned colors. Screen resolution of this phone is good with an aspect ratio up to 20:9. Moreover, display of this phone is awesome. This phone has MediaTek Helio G35 processor with 4 GB RAM and its storage is 64 GB, that is expandable up to 512 GB. In Redmi 9 there are two rear cameras of 13 megapixels and 2 megapixels and front camera is 5 megapixels. Android 11 operating system is placed inside this phone and this is dual SIM mobile with 4G network. Redmi 9 has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS connectivities in it along with 3.5 mm audio jack. There are 6 types of sensors in this phone and SIM ejector tool, USB cable, power adapter, warranty card and some other important things inside its box. Warranty of this mobile phone is of 1 year along with 6 months for accessories. Now talk about some pros and cons. Redmi 9 is well built and have great battery life but contrary have least camera performance. All in all, this mobile phone holds 3.8 ratings. Now come to the next mobile phone which I am talking about is Samsung Galaxy M12, which released on 5th February of this year. Guys, this phone has great look with 164.00 into 74.90 into 9.70 mm body dimensions. This phone is around 221 grams with a great battery capacity. This phone is 6.50 inches with great screen resolution. Processor inside this phone is Exynos 850 with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. In the rear camera, first one primary is of 48 megapixels, ultra wide is 5 megapixels and both depth and macro camera are of 2 megapixels and the front camera is 8 megapixels. Operating system inside it is Android 11 and a dual SIM mobile that supports 3G and 4G networks. Samsung Galaxy M12 has all these connectivities as shown on my screen. 4 types of sensors are there in this mobile and its box contains things I mentioned over here. Warranty conditions are same as of Redmi 9. Guys, this phone has great battery life, good body design and clean software as I mentioned in pros, but is slightly heavy. Unless holds good rating up to 3.7. Now it is turn of that mobile which I placed on third number. That mobile is Oppo A31, launched last year in February month, whose body type is plastic and form factor is touchscreen. Its body dimensions are 163.90 into 75.50 into 8.30 mm and contains weight up to 180 grams. This is available in 2 colors and its battery is strong as it is of 4230 mAh. Its display features are similar to Samsung Galaxy M12. Its processor is very strong with 4 GB and 64 GB RAM and storage respectively. Primary rear camera is 12 megapixels and the other two are of 2 megapixels. Front camera is 8 megapixels. Android 9 OS is placed inside it and have 2 SIM slots of nano size. All types of connectivities you seen on my screen are there in this mobile phone. Face unlock, fingerprint, all these sensors are available and 5 to 6 things inside the box. Warranty is for 1 year and have particular pros and cons mentioned here. It holds rating up to 4. Now the next phone comes on number 2 is Realme 9 Prime In its general specifications, brand is Redmi and launch date is 4 August 2020 and holds weight of 198 grams. Its battery capacity is 5020 mAh, which seems to be good. In display, its screen size is 6.53 inches and protection type is Gorilla Glass and density is 394 pixels per inch. Its RAM and storage is good and processor make is MediaTek Helio 980 G80. Its camera quality is great of both rear and front camera as you seen, and its video quality is also very good. Software of Redmi G9 Prime is Android 10 and have 2 slots for SIMs. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, audio jack of particular specification all are available in this mobile. Moreover, GPS, NFC, infrared, all connectivities are available. Working on all sensors is great and a box of this phone contains so many things as you all seen. This phone is well priced guys, but it is a plastic build phone. Its rating are 4.1, which seems very great. Lastly, come to the last and best phone according to me, which I placed on first place is Samsung Galaxy M21, of which form factor is touchscreen and released on 18th March 2020 and holds weight up to 188 grams and its thickness 8.9. Nextly, battery capacity is 6000 mAh. On display, its screen size is 6.40 inches and screen resolution is 2340 into 1080 pixels. Its processor make is Samsung Exynos 9611 with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. Its camera quality is great as you all seen on my screen of both front and rear camera. Software placed inside this phone is Android 10 and have Wi-Fi, audio jack, GPS, Bluetooth and USB Type-C connectivities. Sensors and things inside the box in all phones are generally the same. Samsung Galaxy M21 has a warranty of 1 year, manufacturing warranty for device and also have a lot of good points. That's why holds high rating from all other phones that are 4.2 rating. Now come to the price structure of all discussed mobile phones. So guys, these phones are available at good discount rates on different market platforms. To wrap up the video guys, my favorite phone is Samsung Galaxy M21, and what about your choice? Please tell me in the comment sections. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you, keep smiling and stay safe. Bye bye.